Hey everyone, so I've got my barbecue grill here. The seller sent this to me so I can go ahead and show you all the features. Now the instructions were laid out very nice. Every part was labeled really well. The instructions did say it would take right around 50 minutes to put together, and it took me 55, so that was awesome. So what I really like about this, we've got 4 burners right here. Each burner is actually 8,000 BTU. We've also got a side burner over here, and it's 10,000 BTU. It does have an electronic ignition here. It does take a AA battery that was not included, so I went ahead and put mine on in there. And this is all stainless steel. This is 304 stainless steel. It's got a really nice handle right here and a temperature gauge. It's very easy to read. It goes up to 1,000 degrees Fahrenheit. It also has, on the 4 wheels, the front wheels actually have little levers here, so you can go ahead and lock that down. Over here on the side, we do have a bottle opener. And if you didn't want to use the igniter, you can actually put a match right in here to go ahead and light that also. And then on the sides, each side of it, you have an area where you can go ahead and hang off your utensils there. And then right here on the front, we've got 2 stainless steel doors. So it also has a really nice sturdy frame. We've got cast iron grills up here. There's plenty of area up here if you want to put maybe some vegetables up here, some skewers. Of course, there's plenty of room too on the sides, so go ahead and put your steaks, chicken, ribs, even hamburgers. Up top, there's even more room to put anything else you want to, just to kind of keep warm. And of course, on the side here with this additional burner here, you could go ahead and maybe put some corn or vegetables you want to go ahead and boil, keep warm. All this cast iron is easily removed to go ahead and have it clean. But overall, it's a fantastic grill. I liked that it was so easy to put together. It's actually one of the easiest ones I've ever put together. And I would definitely recommend it. And I hope you found this review helpful.